Good day, everyone. This video is for anyone who's ever asked how to check if your webcam or mic is being spied on. Sounds serious, right? But don't stress, I am here to guide you through it. Step by step, we will check what's running in the background, spot any red flags, and make sure your privacy stays yours. So take a deep breath, you are in safe hands. Let's begin. So we will do a right click in the start icon and we will go to settings, and then we will go to privacy and security. Now here we have the very first option, Windows security, and we just need to scroll down like this and we will go to apps and permission. So the very first thing here is to go in the camera, and if you have turned on the camera, let app access your camera. So here you will find the list of the apps who have accessed or even requested to access the camera. So you can have all the list right here, check one by one. Make sure all the apps are known, and whatever the apps are not known, you can simply turn it off. Even if you think that this app doesn't require cam, you can turn that off as well. And here is the most important part, is let desktop apps access your camera. So that also can be turned off because it uses the resources, and if you turn this off, and if you do not often go with the desktop apps, you can turn it off. I use it, so I have turned it on. Now here you will find the recent activity. Review camera access from the last 7 days. The most recent access data is also captured in section in this page. So here we have 20 requests, and I will click on that, and you will see the time, the date right there, and you can click here next. You can check. So I had 20 requests from 19th of June to till today, 25th of June. So you can check whether any app or anything has tried to access your camera. So this is a very good thing you can check by yourself, and I guess everyone can do it. It is very easy to check. Now here we will go to microphone, and same thing goes with the microphone as well. Let apps access your microphone. You can turn off whatever you want to. So you can see I have turned off most of the apps, and they are absolutely, known apps. Currently it is being screen recorder is using the microphone, which is why you are able to listen to me, right? And these are the things which I have given the access. So you can also try that Windows host process, and we can go with the recent activity. We can check which app has asked for the access, right? By any chance, if you feel not good, you can simply turn off that particular app and also uninstall app from your computer, right? So this is how you can check the privacy, and it is really very good if you do that, and let your loved ones as well, because it is now these days it is very important to stay alert and stay wise. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day, and do leave a comment what you have your opinion in this. Take care. Goodbye.